Can you introduce your name? Can you introduce yourself to us?
My name is Leslie Walmer.
And you have a house in Fircrest, Washington, correct?
I do.
Okay, so what was one of the reasons why you decided to hire a property manager?
Well, the biggest mistake we made was trying to be our own property manager with no real experience or credentials to property manage.
Right.
And then that was the biggest mistake, and from then on we had headaches for the next 2 years because we weren't able to identify the proper renters. We didn't know really how to collect money from them. We didn't know the legalities, and basically it was a headache, and we couldn't sleep. And we were driving our friends and neighbors crazy because that's all we could talk about.
Okay, and so then you decided to call around, and then you found Ken.
We found Ken, and what stood out with Ken is that he immediately was on it. He got the people that weren't paying their rent to leave. He took care of the property. He guided us step by step so we could make that house rentable again.
And so he turned it profitable within a couple of months.
Profitable. Instead of losing money and losing sleep, we got our sleep back and we got our money back.
So what would be the number one thing that, as a owner, that you appreciated about Ken and his property management?
The fact that he was right on target. He listened. He was able to assess our situation and do exactly what we needed to be able to turn the property around and get it renting again.
Okay.
That was the bottom line. We need to get this property rented.
Okay. Would you feel comfortable if anybody called or emailed you to give a referral?
Absolutely.
Okay.
I love doing referrals.
All right.
I love boosting people up that need a kudos and need support, so I'll be willing to do that again.
So, to wrap this up, and we do appreciate today for you coming in and talking to us, what would be your advice to any owners that are actually managing their own place?
I would say do not try to manage your own place, because the small amount of fee to totally turn that over to somebody else is so worth it.
And takes the personal issues out of it.
Personal issues between tenants and renters is just stressful. It damages relationships and potential friendships. I wouldn't recommend it.
All right. Well, Leslie, thank you for coming today.
You are very welcome.